Well, well, well. Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone who is watching this video is having a great time. Okay, so I came across a female. She goes by the name of Gagarina, right? So I've seen her popped up on my home feed. I'm not sure who is she, what she's capable of, and I can tell that she is from Russia. Yay! Another beautiful Russian singer, right? So I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica, and to be honest, I'm only trespassing. The reason why I'm doing this reaction is because I want to learn more about new music, new artists, and new everything about that particular artist, right? I'm not really sure if this music literally plays in my country, Jamaica, but if not, I'll be the first one to even listen to her music so I could tell all my Jamaican friends about her music. And if I do like this music, I'm pretty sure that another reaction will come up after this one. Okay, so one question before I go into this reaction: do anyone here who's watching this video know Bob Marley? This guy, yeah, Bob Marley. So if so, please let me know in the comments to see how well you're a big fan of Bob Marley's music. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see if this female will blow my mind away, right? So peace. Beautiful instrumental. Love the drum roll. Nice starting. Outstanding music. Beautiful female. Gorgeous!
Писем еще не написанных сколько?
Oh shit! Wow! 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 Wow!
Скажи, кукушка, пропой. В городе мне жить или на выселках камнем лежать, или гореть звездой. Звездой. Солнце мое, взгляни на меня.
Wow! Wow! This is impressive. Her voice is impressive, bro. Yo! 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 This is amusing. This is really amusing. Oh my god! Yo! Yo! Wow! Wow! This is magnificent. This is freaking... Yo! Damn, bro! Yo! Look, it's my first time, guys, to be honest, and I'm literally impressed. I am... What? Yo, this is freaking amazing. Wow. Wow. Her voice is her voice. Wow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, bro. Bra, ba, ba. Oh my God. Yo, 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 such powerful voice. Oh my God, bro, her voice is really incredible. Wow, wow, wow. This is really and truly an impressive female, bro. Damn, damn.
Солнце мое, взгляни на меня. Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак. Если есть вода, дай огня. Вот так. Солнце мое, взгляни на меня. Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак.
Oh, yo, yo. Her voice gives me chills. I still want that. Yo, wow, 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 wow.
Если есть вода, дай огня. Вот так.
Wow, that was impressive. That was impressive. Oh, guys, look, look. I'm impressed with what I've seen thus far. And if you guys do want me to react to more of her songs, please make your suggestion in the comments. Pin your links, whichever you guys use to link me to a next reaction for her. Please just state them. I'll be happy to give my 2 cents on the next song for her. So if you guys do enjoy this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.